So as you're working around with video clips inside of the timeline at HitFilm, what may happen is that you may have gap in between like this. And if you want to remove out those gaps, then what you can do is you can use ripple delete. So to do that, in between the gap, you need to go around and right click. And over here, you can see that ripple delete gap is an option right here. Once you click on it, you can see that the gap immediately gets deleted right here. Sometimes you may have, let's say, for example, clips like these. So you got 3 clips together, let's say, for example. And over here, if I were to go around and then delete this right now. So if I were to go around and delete this right here, then it simply deletes out the clip right here. But let me just press Ctrl Z. I can right click and click on ripple delete clip. That deletes out the clip, but you can see that it ripple deletes out the gap in between them as well. So if I were to go around and let's say resize this clip and right click, you can go around and ripple delete gap right there. And that is how you can utilize the ripple delete feature inside of HitFilm to delete out gaps in between clips while you're editing videos. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.